driving along Stuart Highway heading north to Katherine.
Jamie's just noticed the fuel filter lights come on, so he's having a quick look. Hopefully we can carry on.
west of the river, Mississippi mud running in my veins. And on the road is where I found freedom, and hotel rooms is where I found peace. I spent my whole life running my world. It's gonna be a long way home. And it's gonna take my heart and soul, my heart and soul. We started off before I started school. Mom and Dad said we're headed south, we're gonna move. Well, I hung on for a year or two after, but I forgot that house and trail ridge road. I spent my whole life running from my world. It's gonna be a long way home. And it's gonna take my heart and soul, my heart and soul. I'll put off the road somewhere near Easter morn, and I'll find that little church where my family filled the pews. I spend my whole life running from Iowa. It's gonna be a long way home. It's gonna take my heart and soul. It's gonna be a long way home. It's gonna take my heart and soul, my heart and soul.
Such a rush. Well, this one
Oh no!
he's overtaken us as well.
How? What are you doing? Please!